Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Social Studies class 1. Today we are going to start the reading of lesson number 1, A Happy Family. Parents and children together make a family. Everybody loves their family. I love my family. They love me too. Would you like to know about my family? Immediate family. This is my immediate family. My immediate family consists of my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and myself. My brother's name is Rehan. He is 7 years old. My sister's name is Aruj. She is 5 years old. My name is Sana and I am 6 years old. Extended family. This is my extended family. My extended family consists of my grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. A family does many things together. We do so many things together as a family. Would you like to see what we do? We spend time together. We take care of each other. We love each other. We eat together. We play together. We shop together. We go out together. We help each other. Now we are moving towards the exercise, in which first we have to answer the questions. The answer questions are: how many persons does Sana's immediate family consists? Answer is 5. Next question: write Rehan and Aruj's ages. Answer: Rehan is 7 years old and Aruj is 5 years old. Next question: who is your extended family? Answer: my extended family consists of my grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Last question: write some activities your family do together. Answer: we eat together, we play together, we shop together. Next, some words meaning are here. Parents, वालदैन. Together, इकट्ठे. Things, चीज़ें. Care, ख्याल रखना. Consists, मुश्तमिल. Some dictation words are also here. Play, help, eat, shop, family.